With Easter just days away, you're most likely on the home stretch when it comes to getting everything together. Like most of us, you probably know what you're having for Easter dinner, and you have more than enough candy to fill your Easter basket. But if you're still looking for that something different to serve Easter morning, we've got a flavor-packed quiche that's holiday special, and you won't believe how easy it is. We start out by placing a refrigerated pie crust in a deep dish pie plate, crimping the edges, and if you want to make your own crust from scratch, go ahead. We fill it halfway with a mixture of shredded Swiss and cheddar cheese and top that with some diced ham. The rest of the cheese goes on, along with a few eggs that we've beaten with some half and half. You want to pour this on slowly so it seeps into all the cheese. Then all we do is bake it until the center is set. Once it's done, I actually like to let it cool for a bit so it's easy to cut. And when you dish this up, it's so creamy, rich, and satisfying, you're going to wonder why you waited so long to make it. So here's what I suggest. Go online and get the recipe for our easy ham and cheese quiche, so you'll have one less thing to think about. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a
cheesier way
for you to say, ooh, it's so good. Cheesy?
Delicious.
I think you're cheesy.
I know you are.